Ever wish cleaning your ceiling fan was as easy as pressing a button? Well, imagine a world where an automated ceiling fan cleaner does the job for you. With its innovative design and advanced technology, this device effortlessly removes dust and dirt, leaving your fan spotless in minutes. Say goodbye to dusty mess and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. Let technology take the chore out of cleaning with the automated ceiling fan cleaner.
Wow, so hot, I need to clean the fan again. It's full of dust, I guess. Oh, it's so tiring. If I can have an automated ceiling fan cleaner, then I don't have to waste so much time and energy to clean the fan anymore. Why not I design one? Let me go find my friends.
Guys, I've encountered the problem of cleaning ceiling fan, so I have an idea to do an automated ceiling fan cleaner. Can you guys help me on this?
Sure.
Then we research on the existing product and make some comparisons. Hence, we find one benchmark and plan to upgrade the features from that. So we do a questionnaire to identify the market needs. Based on the research and data collected, we start to do a discussion to brainstorm for the ideas of the automated ceiling fan cleaner.
After brainstorming, we actually come up with 3 kinds of concepts. We discuss through and determine the best method based on the evaluation metric method, and we proceed to the parametric design.
Since we have the design ready, so we do a discussion to determine the analysis of component, type of analysis, and list of standard parts, standard modules, and specific purpose parts.
I find this motto to be suitable for our design, and I use this motto to calculate for the gear tool and stuff. After getting the conceptual design, we move on to detailed design. So we make and buy decision. We complete the selection and sizing of the components. Then we do the design in the SolidWorks, and then we complete the engineering drawings and complete the bill of materials, revise the product design specification. Then we prepare some final cost estimate before we release the design to manufacturing. Before we move on to make the prototype, we actually do a product concept test by using the boxes to check on the appearance to make sure the product will have the right look. With all things ready, we start to do the prototype.
After weeks of hard works, finally, the automated ceiling fan cleaner prototype is done.
The world now focuses on sustainable design, so we actually provide a brief insight of the sustainable element.
This is the sustainability and environmental consideration in engineering design of our product, which include social, economic and environmental factors.
For the SWOT analysis of our company, firstly strength, convenience, time saving, hygiene and safety. For weakness, complexity. For opportunities, market demand, technological, eco-friendly solution. And lastly, trade, regulatory issues and competition. This is executive summary for our company.
This is the mission and vision of our company. For the mission, first, revolutionize ceiling fan maintenance with a safe and efficient and user-friendly automatic cleaning solution. Next, eliminate manual cleaning dangers and inconvenience. Third, ensure a cleaner, healthier living environment with minimal effort. For the vision, become a leading provider of innovative home cleaning technology. Next, be recognized for quality, safety and customer satisfaction. And lastly, expand product line to address various cleaning challenges.
Next, for the overview of our product, firstly, clean ceiling fans bleed automatically, eliminate the need for ladders and manual cleaning, and features advanced cleaning mechanism, user-friendly operation, and robust safety features.
Oh yes, finally we bring this design to reality. I no longer need to clean the ceiling fan on my own. It's so good.